My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Renault Trafic. This vehicle has done just under 28,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Trafic comes with 9 seats in total. On our steering wheel, we have cruise control and voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, map, navigation and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that we have our parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.